This is the YouTube challenge, and I hope you enjoy. This is my axle. Has SCX 10.2 with a 7.5 turn brushless. Haven't been able to go through the setup that I wanted, but let's have some fun anyway. And I missed the jump already. Come on. Using a hard body probably wasn't smart for this. Oh, we've knocked the jump off. We'll do a mono. Oh, the body's come off. Oh. Can we get it back on? Nope, we've completely lost the body. Oh well. Oh. We've lost the jump. We're not going to be doing backflips in this thing. Oh no. Oh. Got him. And I reckon that's about done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a bit of fun with that.